In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down menus on your Wix site using the Wix editor. So let's get right into it. To start, you'll want to open up the Wix editor in Google Chrome. Using Chrome is recommended because it's known for its compatibility and smooth performance with Wix, ensuring a seamless editing experience. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a plus icon labeled Add. Clicking this will reveal a whole array of elements you can integrate into your site. For our task today, you'll want to hover over and click on Menu. Now here's where you can get a bit creative. You'll be presented with a selection of menu types to choose from, so take a moment to explore these options. Look for a menu style that includes drop-down capabilities, meaning it can house both main menu tabs and subpages. This feature is particularly handy for tidying up your navigation, giving users a clear and organized path through your site's content. Alternatively, if you prefer to tailor the experience to your exact liking, Wix provides a customization option for you to create a menu from scratch. This flexibility allows us to ensure the menu not only functions well, but also matches the aesthetic and branding of the rest of your site. After selecting your desired menu type, it's time to start organizing your content. Go ahead and add subpages, positioning them as drop-down items under your preferred main menu tabs. This organization makes it much easier for visitors to find detailed information without cluttering your main navigation bar. For businesses or bloggers with lots of content, this can be a lifesaver in helping users find what they're searching for quickly. Once you are satisfied with the structure of your menu, we move on to the customization phase. This is an exciting part as it allows you to play around with style options. Everything from font choices and sizes to colors and effects. Pay close attention to the design, as it should be both aesthetically pleasing and consistent with the rest of your site's theme. The added benefit of customizing your menu is that it greatly enhances user experience by making navigation intuitive and visually engaging. With your structure set and your style polished, don't forget to save your work so none of your efforts go to waste. Click the save button frequently to ensure all changes are stored, and you can revisit them anytime. Once you're confident everything is perfect, the final step is to publish your site. Just head to the upper right-hand corner and hit that publish button. This action will push all your updates live, allowing your audience to enjoy the improved navigation features right away. That's it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Wix site, enhancing both the look and functionality.